Hi, I'm Don, and welcome back, or welcome to my 1976 Trans Am project. Okay, this is just a quick update of what I've done in the past month. It is taking the old 76 Trans Am. I took the front frame out of it and put it on the 80 Turbo Trans Am. Okay, so that's been completed. Then I'm taking the 80 Turbo Trans Am and putting the front end back on the 76 so I have two rolling chassis. What I've done to this one, I've taken out all the lines. I've taken out the fuel tank, brake lines, the emergency brake lines, the fuel lines. I've taken out everything from underneath. So when it goes in for sandblasting, it'll be just a quick blast and done like dinner. Okay, so what I got left on this one, before I can send it in sandblasting, you see a cable hanging down there. That's the automatic shift cable. I got to pull the rest of the interior. I got half of it out, but I've got to get the other half out and clean it right out. Then I can really do a good job on cleaning the floor and everything else. If you come back over here this way, you're going to see I'm going to have to do a little bit of body work. The car isn't perfect. It's close, but it's not quite perfect. So we head back here. We've got some rot that I've got to get out of it. So I've got to cut this out and this and put in pieces of metal and go over the rest of it. I can't get the front fairing of the front wheels or the back wheels here over there. Can't get those off. If you come back over to this side here, you'll be able to see it better. As you can see, it's a little tight in here. So if you bring the camera over here, and there's the front fairing for the back wheel. It's loose, but there's a bolt in here. You have to pull off the interior pieces to get that bolt out. Actually, it's a nut on a bolt. So that's left, but interior and those two fairings, the rest is stripped right down basically to nothing. Had some problems with it. Had a bunch of bolts that were just froze solid. The brake calipers, the rear bumper bolts, quite a bit had to be cut out. The emergency brake line had to be cut out. As you can see, I'm getting there. It's a slow process because I haven't had a lot of weekends, but I've had my grandkids and my kids and everybody else over, and you have to spend a little time with them. Try not to, but gotta spend a little time with them. Okay, guys, this is it, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can with the next update. Thanks. Have a good one.